I replaced my entire mobility routine with these 5 moves. If you want to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free for decades, these 5 moves are all you need. The fifth one is the most overlooked, and skipping it is why most people stay stiff as they age. Number 1, the deep squat. The deep squat is a natural human movement we've simply forgotten. Many cultures still use this as a resting position, but in the modern world we've traded this for chairs, and that's why our hips and lower backs become stiff. The deep squat is the ultimate undo button. It decompresses your spine, opens up your hips, and restores the natural mobility your body was designed for. Here's how to do it. Drop down as low as you can while keeping your heels flat on the floor. Keep your chest proud. If you feel like you're going to fall backward, just hold on to a door frame or a heavy table for support. Aim for 60 seconds. This is how your body returns to its natural position. Number 2, the 90-90 hip hold. Most lower back pain isn't actually a back problem. It's a hip problem. When your hips lose their ability to rotate, your spine has to take all the daily impact. The 90-90 hip hold is the gold standard for hip mobility. It targets the joint capsule itself, restoring the deep rotation most people lose with age. Here's how to do it. Sit on the floor with both legs at 90-degree angles, one in front and one to the side. Keep your chest up and your spine tall. If you're leaning away, it's a sign your hips are locked. Use your hand for support or sit on a yoga block to elevate your pelvis. Hold for 30 seconds on each side. This is how you unlock your hips in just 60 seconds. Number 3, the puppy pose. This is the fastest way to undo the damage of sitting all day, and this single move will unlock your spine in just 1 minute. The puppy pose gently decompresses your spine while opening up your chest and shoulders. As your upper body loosens up, standing tall and breathing deeply becomes much easier. Here's how to do it. Start on your hands and knees. Keep your hips locked directly over your knees. Slowly slide your hands forward until your chest drops toward the floor. Actively reach forward with your arms. Breathe deeply. Stay here for 60 seconds. This is how you restore upright posture in just 1 minute. Number 4, the world's greatest stretch. If your whole body feels tight, do this one. This exercise targets your hamstrings, hips, mid-back, and shoulders, all in one smooth movement. Think of it as a full-body reset. In just 1 minute, you'll feel looser, more mobile, and ready to move with greater ease. Here's how to do it. Step forward into a deep lunge. Drop your inside elbow down toward your front foot. Then rotate your entire torso and reach your hand toward the ceiling. Follow your hand with your gaze as you open up your chest and spine. Do this for 30 seconds per side. It restores full body movement almost instantly. Number 5, the horse stance. This is the secret to lifelong lower body strength, but almost everyone skips it. This ancient hold builds unbreakable balance and a rock-solid foundation. It doesn't just strengthen your legs. This hold activates your hips and inner thighs, creating the kind of strength, stability, and balance that helps you stay strong and steady for decades. Here's how to do it. Step your feet twice as wide as your shoulders. Point your toes slightly out. Sink down as if sitting on a horse. Keep your back straight, your chest up, and your core tight. Your legs will shake. That means it's working. Hold for 60 seconds. This is how you build a rock-solid foundation. Now here's how to combine these 5 exercises into a simple 5-minute daily routine. Start with 60 seconds of the deep squat. Next, do the 90/90 hip hold for 30 seconds per side. After that, move to the puppy pose for 60 seconds. Follow with the world's greatest stretch for 30 seconds per side, and finish strong with the horse stance for 60 seconds. Just 5 moves, that's all it takes. Now, if you want to stay mobile and keep your hips strong for life, watch this video next. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.